Alright, so here we have the front block for the M02. I've already cut out the top of it in order to fit my new servo in, but I wanted to show a bit more detail of how it's going to come about. So basically cut the top off so that the servo pretty much fits right in top here. Now in here you have to cut out some of the meat, if you will. You can see on this side it's still here, whereas the other side I cut it out. Now I'm going to put the servo over to the left side. So when I put this back, now I need to fill this space, and I also need to fill the bottom space here. This way the servo will stay up. I mean, it doesn't move much already, but under load it might move some. So I'm going to make a spacer for here, and I'm going to make it so that it comes here, down here, and on this side. Now I'm going to 3D print it, but I'm pretty sure you can fill it with like pieces of plastic, or make a flat piece out of epoxy, and there's a lot of ways you can do it. You can even probably use these screw holes, put longer screws in, and actually just push it towards that side. Once it's all screwed together from here and here, then you push it in and it should pretty much hold it. Maybe even put a piece of plastic inside if you have. I'm sure we have pieces of plastic or cardboard or little pieces of metal or whatever you have lying around. You get to stick it in there and put some screws in and push it against the servo. Maybe still put something underneath. So I'm going to go ahead and draw up the spacer that I need, because I'm going to 3D print it. But that's pretty much what it's going to look like. is done. Let's see if my measurements are correct. Oh, seems to fit in there pretty snug. Oh, that should be nice and tight. Let's put this main screw in here and see. That should do it.